Hello everybody, what's up and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Shruti and I make videos related to curly hair, beauty, fashion and lifestyle. If you like what you're seeing so far, then make sure you go ahead and subscribe to this channel because it's free and why not. Today's video is going to be my curly hair routine but clarifying edition. So it's going to be my curly hair clarifying routine. I have made so many routines on my channel but I never really made a clarifying one. I don't know why, but it's such an important part of my routine. I usually clarify 3 times, 2 to 3 times per month, and it's so important. This has drastically changed my hair game, like literally, because a lot of girls, I think majority of the girls who do follow curly girl method use no poo shampoo or very shampoo that does not have a very harsh surfactants. But what that does is you use a lot of products and it may cause buildup in the long run, and it may cause your hair to fall flat, cause a lot of buildup, and it's just not good. You need a good clarifying routine to make sure that you have a good restart and your hair bounce back to its life. That's what this video is about, and if you want to know how I do my clarifying routine, then definitely keep on watching till the end. This is day 3 hair only, and this is how it looks like. Super dry and frizzy, and my curls are also falling flat because I straightened my hair for my engagement. Straightening definitely causes a lot of heat damage, and you need some extra love to get your curls back in shape. I was looking for a hair mask with protein in it to help me with my damaged curls, so I got the CD Expert range from L'Oreal Professional. This has gold quinoa extract and protein extract in it that gives your hair nourishment, health, and shine. Now, my hairstylist uses this range whenever I get a hair spa done, so I thought let's try it out. First, I'm gonna use CD Expert Absolute Repair Shampoo. The entire CD Expert range is made with gold quinoa extract and wheat protein extracts, and it's meant to instantly reconstruct your dry and damaged hair, which is exactly what I need. This is how my hair looks after shampoo. It deeply cleansed my hair for a fresh restart without over drying it. This shampoo thoroughly washes away any dirt or residue left on the scalp and makes your hair more soft and healthier. Moving on to the next step, which is the L'Oreal Professional Absolute Repair Mask. This is how it looks like. The consistency is thick and creamy, so it spreads well without dripping. You need to apply this on damp hair. I'm going to take this much of the product and spread it evenly from mid-length to the ends. Do not apply it on the roots, and work in section. It will be very easy. Once the mask is applied using a wet brush, I'm going to detangle my hair. This mask has amazing slip, plus the brush will distribute the mask evenly on all hair strands. Make sure that your hair is damp before you move on to the next section and repeat the same process all over. I love to use mask in my clarifying routine instead of conditioner because it's much more potent and concentrated version of conditioner, and it deeply hydrates and repairs my dried and damaged curls. This range is great for dry, dull and damaged hair. Once all the hair is covered, I'm gonna let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes and wash it out. This is how my hair looks like after I've washed off the mask, and my hair feels super soft. Next, I'm gonna apply CD Expert Wheat Oil Absolute Repair Serum. Just a few drops and spread it evenly all over my hair, especially concentrating on the ends. I'm gonna style my hair as usual with leave-in conditioner and gel, and we'll be back soon once it's all dry. This is the final result and I absolutely love it. It looks and feels healthy. My roots are not flat at all and it's got good volume. The curls are popping and shiny. There's absolutely no frizz and my curls feel super soft, healthy and has got a good bounce to it. This is the before and after. My curls don't look dead and limp anymore and I'm living for it. So that's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and let me know in the comments down below what video do you want me to film next. I genuinely enjoyed using the L'Oreal Professional CD Expert range, especially the deep conditioner. It had amazing slip, and look at my curls. I have volume. My curls have bounced back even though the kind of heat damage it went through. 2 weeks and my curls are popping. I really like it. Also, this serum, I used the serum when I had straightened my hair as well, and it definitely helped me to extend the days. I think my straight hair, I rocked it for 7 to 8 days because of this, and it was looking like day 1 blow dried hair. Like, I'm not kidding. I definitely enjoyed using this range, and if you want to get your hands on this range, then I'll definitely put all the links in the description down below. Don't forget to check it out. And with that said, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and the comment shout out goes to Ragini Rai. Ragini, thank you for your comment. It really means a lot, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat. I used to flow the Bowery when I was high enough. Spider-Man's control and Batman with his fist. Oh, clearly I don't see myself upon